everyone, I am Manastuti Borah. I am a student of Class 7 of Gurukul Grammar School, Guwahati, Assam. Today I will be speaking on the topic Boys versus Girls. Does that matter? There is a stereotyping in our society that boys are naturally more active and aggressive, while our girls innately are more caring and cooperative. Well, as a student of Class 7, it is really difficult for me to get into the depths of such a serious matter. But in general, gender doesn't matter to me at all. I have sometimes heard elderly people speaking about Indian people visiting numerous religious places to pray to God to have a child of a specific gender. But I wonder what can matter more than the great joy of becoming a parent, either of a girl child or a boy child. Although if we speak about India's population, girls are at a disadvantage in many important ways. Discriminatory attitudes towards both girls and boys have existed for generations in our society and has affected the lives of both girls and boys. Even if our constitution grants everyone equal rights, disparities remain. We should not discriminate anyone, as discrimination affects one's life in many important ways, from career development and progress to mental health and disorder. Although India's literacy rate is increasing, the female literacy rate lags behind the male literacy rate. So it's high time now that we take this seriously. We should try to remove all tags of gender inequality from our society. The world today is globalized and it has become a very small place to live in today. So there must be harmony between all girls and boys. Everyone is equal. Everyone should have equal rights. Thank you.